Good morning! Hello everyone! For today's video guys is maglalaro kami ng tell me what is the sound of animals. Are you ready guys?
Yeah!
Pakilala muna. Ikaw si?
Dio.
Ikaw si?
Joey.
Ikaw si?
Ganda.
Okay, good. Okay, are you ready?
Apa.
Okay. Ano? Pabilisan dapat ha? Ano ang sounds ng dog?
Aw, aw.
Cat. Goat.
Me.
Horse. Horse. Ano sound ng horse? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano ang sound ng horse? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano sound ng horse? Again? Again? Sounds ng horse?
Sali pa.
Very good. Okay, ano na? Nang sample pa lang, trial pa lang. Okay. Ready na, ready?
Apa.
Ready. Ano ang sounds ng duck? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala dapat sa inyo ng no coaching, ha? Para very good. Okay, ready na? Ano ang sounds ng pig? 5. Okay, ano ang sounds ng chicken? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, say bye-bye na, bye-bye. Ano sounds ng chicken? Bye na. Bye! Okay, dalawa na tira. Dali, come on. What is the sounds of chicken? 5. Ha? Again. 5. Okay, what is the sounds of duck? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and what is the sounds of duck? Quack, quack. Okay, you say bye na. Bye! And the winner is Gio! Last mo na. What is the sounds of monkey? Monkey. Ano? Ano sound ng monkey? Ha? Sige, ayusin mo. Monkey. Ano sound ng monkey? 5, 4, 3. Ano? Ano nga sound ng monkey? Okay, say bye-bye. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Okay, the winner is Gio.